Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Firestick error code 3002. The error reads, Error code passing manifest malformed source error. As per our research, the error comes while using certain apps on the Firestick. According to our research, this error may come due to a glitch with the media player, an outdated app or device software, or in some cases, a temporary issue from the server's end. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply turn off your Firestick and router, then unplug both from the power source, then wait for a few minutes, then plug them back in and turn them on. Once done, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try changing the default player. Some users shared that switching to MX player helped them fix the error. So try changing the default player to any other external player and try again. If the error still persists, then check if there are any pending updates for the app that is showing the error. If there's an update available, install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, check if your Firestick itself needs an update. Simply go to Firestick settings, then select My Fire TV, then go to About and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and check if this resolves the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it may be a server-side issue. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. Meanwhile, you can try using any other similar app. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.